हेलो फ्रेंड्स। आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे केरला पीएससी का ऑप्टोमेट्रिस्ट ग्रेड 2 का पेपर जो आज ही कंडक्ट हुआ है 4 अक्टूबर 2024 को। फ्रेंड्स, इसमें टोटल 100 क्वेश्चंस थे 100 मार्क्स के और इस पेपर की टाइमिंग थी 1 आवर 30 मिनट की, 1.5 घंटे की। सो लेट्स बिगिन विद आवर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। Question number first is the type of cells found in retina are. Options are Purkinje cells, Schwann cells, neuroglial cells या amacrine cells. फ्रेंड्स, इसका आंसर रहेगा आपका डी पार्ट, amacrine cells. Next question is question number 2. The eye lens is concave, convex, biconcave या biconvex. Right answer is biconvex. D part. Question number 3 is nasolacrimal duct opens into. Options are inferior meatus, superior meatus, medial meatus या maxillary sinus. Our right answer is A part, inferior meatus. Next question is the junction between cornea and sclera is called. Options are anterior chamber, limbus, lens या none of these. Our right answer is B part, limbus. Our next question is which of the following has non-keratinized squamous epithelium with goblet cells? Options are bony orbit, optic nerve, eyelid or conjunctiva. Our right answer is D part, conjunctiva. Next question is which muscle is responsible for elevation of upper eyelid? Options are medial rectus, levator papyrus superioris, that is LPS, superior oblique or superior rectus. Its right answer is B part, LPS. Our next question is question number 7. Which of the following structure is seen above the bony orbit? Options are frontal sinus, B part medial carinal fossa, C part anterior carinal fossa, D part maxillary sinus. Our right answer is C part anterior carinal fossa. Our next question is the fluid between the retina and the cell is called aqueous humor, humus, aqueous humor or synovial fluid. Our right answer is A part, vitreous humor. Our next question is most common type of optic nerve injury: intracranial, intraorbital, intracanicular or intramedial. Our right answer is C part, intracanicular. Next question is question number 10. Snellen's chart is used to test vision, color blindness, refraction or presbyopia. Our right answer is A part, A part, vision. Our next question is Egyptian ophthalmia is caused by? Its right answer is C part. Its right answer is C part. Our next question is question number 12. The leading infectious cause of blindness in developing countries is trachoma, ophthalmic neonatorium, red eye या angular conjunctivitis. Our right answer is A part, trachoma. Next question is acute hemorrhagic conjunctivitis is caused by? Options are enterovirus 70, adenovirus, varicella zoster virus या cytomegalovirus. Our right answer is A part, enterovirus 70. Our next question is question number 14. The most common ocular finding in malaria is? Options are conjunctivitis, retinal hemorrhage, keratitis या hordelum. Our right answer is B part, retinal hemorrhage. Our next question is question number 15. Unilateral painless chorioretinal granuloma is the most common finding of? Its right answer is D part, ocular larva migrans. Question number 16 is myotic keratitis is commonly caused by? Options are penicillium, fusarium, candida या aspergillus. Our right answer is D part, aspergillus. Our next question is question number 17. Negative staining is used for demonstration of? A part flagella, B part capsule, C part fimbriae, D part cell wall. Our right answer is B part capsule. Our next question is question number 18. Grams iodine act as dash in gram staining. Fixative, cryoprotectant, moderant या decolorizer. Our right answer is C part, moderant. Our next question is chemical indicator for anaerobic condition of gas pack system is? Options are reduced methylene blue, buffered methylene blue, polychrome methylene blue या none of the above. Our right answer is A part, reduced methylene blue. Our next question is question number 20. Three components of PCR involves all except DNA extraction, amplification, gel documentation or blotting. Our right answer is D part, blotting. Next question is question number 21. Which of the following is the test for visual activity? Distance vision. Snellen's chart, Jagger's chart, Bajerum's screen या confrontation test. Our right answer is A part, Snellen's chart. Our next question is factors affecting visual activity are stimulus factors, retinal factors, optical factors or systemic factors. Our right answer is D part, systemic factors. Next question is question number 23. Which of the following denotes a person suffering from partial color blindness. A part proteinopes, B part deuteronomy, C part deuteronopes, D part monochromats. Its right answer is B part deuteronomy. Site of formation of aqueous humor is. Options are lens, iris, ciliary processes या suspensory ligaments. Our right answer is ciliary processes. Aqueous humor ultimately drains into epicellular vein through conjunctiva, canal of Schellham's, vitreous humor or sclera. Its right answer is B part canal of Schellham. Next question is question number 26. Complete turnover of aqueous humor takes place within 12 hours, 1 day, about 1 hour, yes 7 days. Its right answer is C part about 1 hour. Question number 27 is abnormal IOP intraocular pressure can be seen in all except. Options are decreased absorption through a trabecular tissue, ocular injury, conjunctivitis, obstruction to passage of aqueous humor through the pupil. Its right answer is C part conjunctivitis. Next question is question number 28. The vertical and horizontal movement of eyeball made from the midpoint of gaze are called conjugate movements, cardinal movements, vestibular movements, or saccades. Our right answer is B part cardinal movements. Our next question is question number 29. Physical changes occur in these structures during accommodation except in medial rectus muscle, iris, crystalline lens, or cornea. Its right answer is D part cornea. Our next question is first and foremost advantage of binocular vision is single vision, stereopsis, enlargement of field of vision या compensation of blindness and other diseases. Its right answer is A part single vision. Our next question is question number 31. Which of the following drug is used topically eye ointment in herpes simplex type 1 keratitis? Its right answer is D part Aclover. Our next question is question number 32. Which anti-tuberculosis drug among the following produced retrobulbar neuritis? Options are streptomycin, ethambutol, rifampicin या moxifloxacin. 32 का बी पार्ट ethambutol. Our next question is question number 33. Beta blockers not used topically for glaucoma. Beta-axol, caritolol, saliprodolol या lavibunolol. Our right answer is C part saliprolol. Our next question is question number 34. Glucocorticoids which is not usually given in intravitreal injection? Options are prednisolone. Its right answer is A part, prednisolone. Our next question is question number 35. One of the following not used topically for treatment of glaucoma. Its right answer is D part, acetazolamide. Acetazolamide, D part is the right answer. Our next question is which of the following group of ocular hypotensive drug does not reduce aqueous secretion? A part, beta blocker. B part, difephrine. C part, brimonidine. D part, prostaglandins. Its right answer is D part, prostaglandins. Our next question is question number 37. Difephrine is a prodrug of adrenaline, beta blocker, osmotic agent, or alpha blocker. Our right answer is A part, prodrug of adrenaline. Our next question is question number 38. Drug not used in glaucoma. Not useful in glaucoma is, its right answer is D part, atropine. Question number 39 is one of the following is not an advantage of topical beta blocker over myotic in glaucoma. No change in pupil size, minutation of vision in dim light, no fluctuation in IOP, no induced myopia. Its right answer is B part, minutation of vision in dim light. Our next question is question number 40. Least cycloplegic mydriatic among the following is atropine, homoatropine, tropicamide या phenylephrine. Our right answer is D part, phenylephrine. Our next question is each letter in Snellen's chart subtenders an angle of how many minutes at nodal point of eye? A part 1, B part 3, C part 5, D part 10. Its right answer is C part 5. Our next question is the most appropriate reason for testing visual activity from 6 meters is. Options are A, B, C, D, and its right answer is B part. At this distance, the ray of light will have very little divergence that it may be taken as paler. 42 का राइट आंसर है बी पार्ट. Our next question is question number 43. Which of the following test is preferred to determine the visual activity in preschool children? Options are Boy-Candy bead test, double Medoc-Straw test, Titmus fly test या Arden's grating test. Its right answer is A part, Boy-Candy bead test. Our next question is question number 44. The following statement about near vision testing are correct except A part, near vision chart is kept at a distance of 25 to 35 centimeter. Tests in a room with dim light. Each eye should be tested separately. Jaggers chart is used to test near vision. Its right answer is B part, test in a room with dim light. Our next question is question number 45 is Ishara's color vision test is used to detect which type of color blindness? Red green color blindness, blue yellow color blindness, both A and B, or none of the above? Our right answer is A part, red green color blindness. Our next question is tumbling E chart used for testing visual activity is preferred for illiterate patient, preschool children, both A and B, and none of the above? 46 का है C part, both A and B. Our next question is during retinoscopy at 1 meter, if there is no movement of red reflex without any lens, it indicates that refractive status of the patient is. Options are emmetropia, myopia of 1 diopter, hypermetropia of 1 diopter, or none of the above? Its right answer is B part, myopia of 1 diopter. Question number 48 is which of the following statement is true regarding retinoscopy? Its right answer is C part. In static retinoscopy, patient fixates on an object as a close distance from both the eyes. Question number 49. During retinoscopy, suppose one meridian is neutralized by +4 diopter and meridian at right angle with +5 diopter at a working distance of 2/3 meter, then patient's refractive error would be. Options are +4 diopter sphere, +2.5 sphere and 5 diopter cylinder. C part 2.5 diopter sphere and 1 diopter cylinder या 5 diopter cylinder. क्वेश्चन नंबर 49 का सी पार्ट है राइट आंसर, +2.5 diopter sphere and +1 diopter cylinder. Question number 50 is advantage of cycloplegic refractions are all except A part, accommodation is paralyzed, B part, pupil is dilated, C part, macular refraction is obtained, more amount of aberration through peripheral part of refractive media occur. Its right answer is D part, more amount of aberration through peripheral part of refractive media occurs. फ्रेंड्स, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन हम अपने अगली वीडियो में करेंगे. थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स.